Welcome at the Little Pink Chef. So for today's recipes, we are starting off with a basil pesto. So the ingredients as follows. We need fresh garlic, some pine nuts, Parmesan cheese, fresh basil leaves, a good quality olive oil. I'm using the Willow Creek extra virgin olive oil, a squeeze, and a teaspoon of Dijon mustard, salt and pepper. So you would need a food processor. In your food processor, you're going to put a teaspoon of chopped garlic with your pine nuts, blend it together. And then start adding your fresh basil leaves. What we're going to add now is 1 teaspoon of the Dijon mustard. It just adds that nice tangy flavor. The Parmesan cheese, squeeze of fresh lemon juice, and salt and pepper. And then we're going to blend it until smooth, adding extra virgin olive oil to make it into a smooth paste. Freshly ground black pepper, a little bit of salt. I use a little bit of Maldon salt, then olive oil. You need quite a lot of olive oil to make it into a smooth paste. And our pesto is done. So what you can do now is, it's perfect for freezing up to 6 months, or otherwise what you can also do is just sterilize a small glass bottle and you can put it in the fridge, top it with oil, and it will last up to 3 weeks. And this now are what we're going to use for our next recipe, which is our halloumi burgers.